About 2 years ago, I walked into a machining plant which is having mid-size operations, around 12 VMC machines, automotive component, mostly cast iron and tier 1 supplier. The purchase manager, let's call him Rajesh, meets me at reception. Very good guy, experienced one, and being in the manufacturing industry from last 18 years. He takes me to his desk and open his SAP screen and show me a number, rupees 13.2 lakhs. That was his monthly cutting tool spends for that particular line. And then he says something that I have heard in different words from purchase managers across this entire industry. Hey Mahesh, every month I spend consistently around 13 to 13.5 lakhs, and every month I have no idea if I am getting value for it or not. That sentence, I have no idea if I am getting value, is the most honest thing a purchase manager can say. And in my experience, almost all of them feels exactly that way. Today, I want to tell you what we found when we went deeper into the Rajesh plant, because what we found, I promise you, you will be recognized it. The first thing I always do when I went into any new machining plant is not look at for tally or SAP reports. I directly go to the shop floor. I looked at the machines, I looked at the components, I looked at the tool store, and I looked at the scrap bin. A scrap bin tell you almost everything. In Rajesh plant, the scrap bin had 43 solid carbide drills and end mills into it. I picked them one by one, looked very carefully at cutting edge under the microscope. Roughly 60% of them, I want you to hear this, roughly 60% of those tools had more life in them. They had been changed earlier, either out of caution or habit, or because the operator shift was ending and he didn't want the next shift to the run with the one tool. These were not failed tools, these were abandoned tools. Then I went to the tool store. No FIFO was there, no first in, first out system. New tools and reconditioning tools mixed together in the same drawer. No labels, no any life history on any tool. I asked the storekeeper, how do you know when the tool goes for reconditioning? He said, operator brings it back and says it's done. I again asked him, and how does the operators know it's done? He thought for a moment and then very honestly he said, experience. Experience in 2024 on a machine that cost around 45 lakhs and running a component that goes into the engine assembly. Tool chain decisions made by experience. I am not criticizing the operator. He was doing his best when no system is around him. But this is what looks 13 lakhs per month when there is no system around it. And here is the thing. Rajesh plant was not unusually bad. It was a completely typical. I have seen this. The plants which are spending 4 lakhs per month and 40 lakhs per month as well. The number on the tally or a SAP screen may changes, but the story is always been same. Hi, my name is Mahesh. I am the founder of Accurate Tools and Fixtures. I help machining industries to improve their profitability, productivity, and cycle time. Before I started ATF, I spent years as a tool room in charge in a manufacturing industry. I have been on the other side of this. I am on the place of Rajesh today. I have approved that budget every month and wondered the same thing. And that experience, being inside, not outside the plant, is what shapes how I am approaching the tooling. I don't sell cutting tools the way catalog sells. I have managed cutting tool performance, and there is a very large difference. The model I worked on is called as a CPC, cost per component.